this should not be in this form. This should be in the form 8x equals y minus 2 quantity squared. That's the way that we learned it. There is a way where the linear term is on one side and the squared term is on the other side, and then it's the focal width is to find the focal length, it's 1 over 4p. But we always did it this way, where the linear term was isolated, the square term was isolated and the linear term wasn't. And this value here is what? This is 4p, right? What does this look like, this parabola? Is it going up, down, left, right?
It's going right.
It's going to the right, right? Because y is squared and p is positive, it's going to be going to the right. Okay. What's my vertex going to be? Well, on the left side, for the x, there is no shift, so it's just going to be at 0, right? And then for the y, it's going to be at 2. So 0, 2, okay? And we know that this is equal, 4p equals 8, so p must equal 2. Okay, so then it's going to the right. That means the focus must be 2 to the right, and the directrix would be 2 to the left, and it would be that vertical line. And then the focal width is 8, so we have this here. There we go. So focus, this is the vertex. Focus would be 2, 2, and then the directrix is x equals -2. Okay, are we good on this?
Wait. So
What's up?
How do you get like the center again?
It's since x doesn't have any kind of like plus minus, it's just 0. If it has a plus minus, it's like the opposite sign of what you're doing. So y minus 2 is at 2.
It's shifting it up too.
Yeah, shifting it up 2.
Oh,
and then wait, 4p.
For 4p? What about it?
It's like focal
The
length.
p is the focal length, focal width is the absolute value of 4p.
Mr. Kelly,
Yeah.
why is it up 2, not 2 to the right? It's like inside the square.
If it's a y, it's up and down. If it's the x, it's left to
it's
right.
Y, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, is the directrix a dotted line or dashed line or a solid line?
Dashed line. But I wouldn't take off points for that. All right. Ellipses. X plus 2 squared over 9 plus y minus 1 squared over 16 equals 1. So you know it's an ellipse because what? Like, what's a giveaway that's an ellipse? They're both plus, right? This is plus and this is also a plus, right? Positive. What's the center of this ellipse? -2, 1. Good. Is this a wide ellipse or a tall ellipse?
It's a tall.
It's a tall ellipse because my larger number is underneath y, right? So a squared is 16, so a is 4, and b is what? B is 3. So that means I'm going to go 3 to the left, 3 to the right, 4 up, 4 down. Sketch.
Wait, did it just say like thumbs up?
When you do a thumbs up, it like does something.
Oh, what? Like the video.
Yeah. I think also that the heart works too. I think that works.
Is there anything logged out with it?
Okay, to get the foci, to get C, do you remember the relationship for ellipses? A squared minus b squared, so C would equal 7. C would equal root 7. And that always happens on the major axis. So it would be, the foci would be -2, 1 plus root 7, and negative 2, 1 minus root 7. Okay. Not too bad, right? And then last one. So are you going too fast? We got it?
Wait, c squared equals root 7, right?
Oh wait, last
Yeah.
page.
C equals root 7. Last page. This is it. This is the end. So again, hyperbolas we know. That's the giveaway for hyperbola. That's that negative sign. Okay, what's the center of this hyperbola?
-2, -1.
-2, -1. Right here. Is this hyperbola going up, down, left, or right?
Mr. Kelly, are you recording?
Yeah. It's not my finest video, but I don't know if this will make the cut. Are we-
Chop some stuff out.
Are we doing up, down, left, or right here? Left, right. Okay, good. So center's here, and then we want to get we have an A of 5 and a B of 4. Let's go ahead and sketch. We're going to go 5 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right, 5 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are my vertices. Co-vertices up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can make our rectangle. And then we can draw our asymptotes. Okay. And then we can sketch too, right?
It's like,
Bless you.
Wait,
Yep.
did you explain how to define this to the right?
So I know it's 5 right because it's underneath the x value, and I know it's 4 up and down because it's under the y.
Oh, okay. So it's like if x value is bigger, then it's to the right.
If whatever value is under if whether it's a or b is under x, that's going to be left or right. If it's under y, it's up and down. If it's moving left to right, the vertex is under the y. Sorry, is under the x. If it's moving up and down, the vertex will be under the y. To get the focus, to get C for hyperbolas, what do? You
A squared plus B squared.
A squared plus B squared. So that is 41. And that is on the same axis as the vertices. So it'll be, the foci would be -2 plus root 41, comma -1, and -2 minus root 41, comma -1.
wait, it would be. What?
The foci happen on the same axis
Oh,
as the
yeah.
vertices. Yeah.
On the same y axis.
Yeah. All right, last question of the year.
What was that?
Actually,
Are we good on this one? All right, last one. All right, convert the conic. This is on your test. What do we do? Hello? What do we do?
Completing the square.
Complete the square. So you
So combine, or well, not combine, but put the like terms next to each other. So 9x squared, or minus 54x plus 16y squared plus 64y, and then move the 1 over, so plus 1.
You're going to factor out the greatest numerical factor of each. So it'll be 9x squared minus 6x, and then a 16y squared plus 4y equals -1. We're going to add b over 2 squared to both sides. So it's going to be, we're going to add a 9 here. We're going to add a 4 here. And on the right side, we're going to add an 81 because it's 9 times 9 here. And then we're going to add a 64. So we're going to get, I can see this is going to be 144 equals, and then we have 16 y plus 2 squared, and then 9y minus 3 squared. And then at both sides, we're going to divide them by, we divide everything by 144.
Whoops. It's not divided by 144.
1 over 16 here. Y minus 3 squared over 16. Because we're going to divide top and bottom by 9. And then 144 divided by 16 is 9. So y plus 2 squared over 9. Is this going to be an ellipse or a hyperbola? Yeah. So we have that plus. All right. What a great video.
Yay.